Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to import an image to Canva. Now the first thing you do is open up your Canva, but in your browser you can type in www.canva.com or you download the Canva app into your laptop or PC. Next thing is open it up, sign in, and after signing in, then you tap on create design. Let's say I want something simple, custom style. I want to make myself. I choose the width and the height. I just say YouTube thumbnail, for example. And I need a picture. I want to import an image or a picture for this YouTube thumbnail. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to where the picture is. There are two ways to do it, either from the website or from your file manager. Let's see. Let's say I want an image of a beautiful car, red sports car. Okay, which sports car? Let's say I want PNG. So I pick the one I like. I like this one. Click on it. Okay. Then after clicking on it again, I want to be visible. Good. Next thing you do is you right click on it, and then you can save image or just copy the image you want to save it. Then the next thing you do is you go back to Canva, and then over here just simply control V, and then your car is here. That's it, you've imported it. As simple as that. So that's how to import the image. Now if you want to go to the file manager, you can simply go to the file manager. Let's say I want to take a picture from there. You look for a picture you want. Okay, let's go to picture in that place. Okay. So let's take a picture to use the 5 type also matters. Anyway, you pick a picture from here, right click, press copy, and then you paste it. It's as simple as that. If you find this video helpful, if you did, like, subscribe, and share it for more. Thanks for watching.